Greetings to you all. I'm Dr. Nkateko Imabunza. I'm moving forward with our lessons of computer and smartphone literacy. Today we're going to be looking on to creation of a PowerPoint presentation and how to present it. We're going to need several tools here. First one is a document that you have to present, and a PowerPoint compiling application which you may find under WPS Office. I already said to you this is like MS Office. It's a package which bring along Excel, MS Word, and PowerPoint. So with that, we also need some hardware. You're gonna need a projector that is able to connect with your smartphone. TV cards which you may buy at a cheaper price, they can connect with smartphone. You share your smartphone screen to it and it takes it to your projector. Let's dive on to a lesson. This time we're gonna again go for a new document we create using the plus sign there, and in our list we select PPT, PowerPoint. So that's what we have. Again, we can use templates or a blank. I prefer for teaching to use blank one. So we pick on the plus sign. It come up with some titles and all those things. You can just click on it and you delete if you don't like. If you want to add the title, you can. So we'll have to go on to the document to be presented and copy the content to this PowerPoint document. Now, this is computer and smartphone literacy. We'll look at its studied guide. So now let's say first item will be to present to the objective your objectives. So under headings you can edit it, and you press hold, you paste, and you resize it to what suits your text font. Now what we need again is a picture, not a picture, some details. So with no text box, we can go there to a document and we copy the details of their objectives right there. We paste. See, now it came up with the numbering. If we're happy with that, we take it. So we might be interested in changing the background. Again, just like you did on Excel, you can go and change your background design. Let's check on the design. Select from album. Let's see there. We get a beautiful background. We're talking about computers and smartphones here. I'm not sure. The darker background normally works fine. Let's just check. This is nature. But it shouldn't be destructive, your background. Crop it. There we go. So then, even that, you see now that the fonts, our fonts will have to be changed. The text color, that's what we mean by font. We might have to use, okay, under objectives. You will have more time for you to play around this. But one we see is missing is the first slide, the cover, which if it was a book, we'll call it a cover page. So I haven't introduced myself. For that, we can try to copy what is on the first page of your study guide. The paste options. Right, we can insert the picture first. Let's insert the logo. We'll work around the text later. I see that. Okay, we crop it. When satisfied, we can save. We go down. So there it is. We copy. We just paste. Just stretch the text box to fit the text accordingly. Right, some of the things there we can edit there. First line, it has to be bold. Okay. Edit. And then that one, we bold it and we center it. That's a heading. Notes for, okay, so we can delete that one there. We leave the course and the course code. We can leave the course code there. And then we'll remove the duration and we leave the saving. So that will be able to introduce the course to the readers. If we want everything all centered, we can just take it there. We will center everything. And we have to delete one funny character that's appearing there. That's fine. So we have our heading. If you move this text box, it will show you a line where you centered with the first unit. So we centered to the logo right there. Looks good. So we can duplicate this one. We have a template for our slides now. We're gonna go according to this. Now, what is it there now? If we want to put, let's say we want to put a picture in our lesson, we're gonna describe using a diagram. Go and select that picture. Right. If it gives you trouble, you can just screenshot it. So let's make it big so that we can take a screenshot. Make sure that there's nothing else except it there. On our background, we shoot a picture of it. We are on 2, right? So we have to delete this thing here. Cut. Then we add the picture. We select it and we OK it. And we adjust it accordingly and put it where we like it. Now, we can conclude by using this slide. So again, we're gonna take a screenshot of it. Center it on your screen. Make sure there's no other item appearing except the picture. We crop it to the size we need. We acknowledge that, and then we go and delete the text box there. And we change that, we edit it to become conclusion. So we conclude with a full picture of PowerPoint presentation of that particular lesson. We add a picture, our new picture there that we use to conclude. We select, we go OK. And that's how we created our PowerPoint. Now, once that is done, we go down and then we want to present it to the audience. So we start from the first page, of course, and then we play. Now, if you look at on the playing, we have got nothing to point. So if you go to the bottom of the screen, you swipe up, and then you tap in the middle of the screen. It come up with tools. So our tools, we're gonna put the marker there, and red marker is fine. That this is done by Hlubukani Electronics, but in your case, it's Tau Skills Academy under the Department of Engineering. So we will be presenting the notes of computer and smartphone literacy. The course code being CSL02. The notes were compiled by N.E. Mabunda, who is a doctor in electrical engineering and registered with EXA as a professional engineering technologist. You hear what I'm saying, some are not there. It's point form that triggers some statements which are not even there. So in this lesson, our objective is to describe with the aid of block diagram the structure of a computer. We're gonna do that. Make you understand operating system and their significance. A PowerPoint has been created in that manner as per diagram. So that's how you present. You enable tools. Once tools are enabled, you will be able to point. You use this to move left, right. And then at the end of the presentation, you swipe at the bottom of the screen up and tap on into the middle of the screen. And with that, if you will be able to go out of your presentation. Good luck. Let's meet again when we're gonna do MS Word.